Welcome to Coder Station.
Hello. Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. In today's video, we are going to see all about the dictionaries in Python. Firstly, we will see the theory or we can say the concept of what is a dictionary and its properties, and then we will directly skip to the coding part, which is important part obviously, which you are waiting for. So let's get started finally. Dictionaries are used to store the data and values in key value pair. For example, you have a table in which you have columns like name, standard, roll number. In that columns, the name of the columns is your key, and whatever the data you fill under those columns are your values. Similarly, the dictionaries works in this way where you provide a key, for example name, and corresponding value to that. If the key is the name, then the value can be your own name, or for example let's say coder station. The properties of dictionaries are they are changeable, which was not in the case of the tuples. They were immutable, but the dictionaries are mutable. They do not allow duplicate values. We will see this point in the later half of the video. I'll give more information about it in much detail. And lastly, the dictionary is a collection of ordered elements. It means that it maintains the order for any element, which is that is it maintains a particular order for elements which are being added in the dictionaries. So let's get started with the coding part. So now let us see how to create a dictionary. So to create a dictionary, first give some name to your dictionary, then provide a is equal to, and make sure you use curly braces for making a dictionary. In this curly braces, you are going to add your key and value pairs. So be aware while using dictionary in Python. So now we will give the key like name in double inverted commas and followed by a colon, and again the name can be in the form of string value. So we can give a name as for example Rohan and a comma. Then we can set age of the role, that is age, sorry, age colon, and again age is a number, so no need to write double inverted commas, and age can be 19. Now to print, how to print this dictionary? To print this dictionary, simply write print operator, print, and your the name of your dictionary. So date. Now when I run this program, I will get the output on my terminal over here. I am getting the output as name, which is Rohan, and age is 19. Now we will see how to access the elements in a dictionary. So to access the elements in a dictionary, we have seen the print operator, how it works. It gives you a complete dictionary. For example, I want only to print the age, that is age, the value provided with age. So what I will do is that I'll create a variable x over here provided by is equal to, then I'll give the name of the dictionary, that is dict, and in square brackets I'll provide here age. So once I provide here age, I'll print this x variable. So now we are supposed to get the output as 19. So we are getting the output as 19, as you can see over here. Let me run this program again. So see, we are getting the output as 19 over here. The second way by which you can do this, what we can say access, is similar, that is create a variable x, then use the name of your dictionary dict, then use a dot operator, dot, then get, and in round brackets you will give age, and then simply print this x variable. So now when you print this x variable, you're getting the output again as 90. I will change this to name to make you more clear. Now when I put the name over here, then I'm supposed to get the output as name, that is Rohan. Similarly, there is another method by which you can get only the keys of the dictionary, similar to this syntax, that is create a variable x, then dict, then dot operator. After dot operator you have to write keys in round brackets, and we will print x simply. When we do this, we get all the keys, that is C, dict dot keys, names and age. So these are the ways in which you can access the data in the dictionaries. Similarly, you can also do this for value, that is create a variable x, name of the dictionary, dot operator and values. So when you do this, you are supposed to get values, that is Rohan and 90. You will get this in the form of a list, as you can see over here. So these were the methods by which you were able to access the elements, the keys and the values, or only the keys and only the values in the dictionary. So now let us see how to change the values in a dictionary. So changing a values in the dictionary is much easy. That after you create a dictionary, suppose I want to change the name of Rohan to Rahul. So then how we will do is that write the name of the dictionary simply. Once you write this, square brackets, then the key which you have given, that is name, and then is equals to, we will write here as Rahul, and we will print dict, that is our dictionary, the name of my dictionary. When we run this program, we are getting the output on the terminal as C. Name is changed to Rahul and age is equals to 90. Similarly, this can be done by using update method. So the second method which we can use is that update method. So to do that, you have to write the name of the dictionary, use a dot operator and write update, which we have seen here. In the round braces, use a curly brace. Okay, followed that. I'll repeat this syntax once again. Name of your dictionary, dot operator, update in round brackets. Inside that, put a curly brace. Then update the, for example, we will update the age of Rowan to 20. So we will write age. Similar, you have to write the key and the value pair. Age and then 20. So now when we are running this program, when we run this program, we are supposed to get an output as C. Name is Rowan and age is 20, as we have updated. So these were the two methods by which you can update, that is add the elements in the dictionary, similarly update the elements in the dictionary. So now let us see how to remove a particular item from the dictionary. So removing item from the dictionary is very easy. Write the name of your dictionary, use a dot operator and use pop. When you use pop, write the key which you want to remove. For example, I want to remove the age of the Rowan. I have no longer needed that key. So you have pop the item with the key age, and then we will print this dictionary. Print, and when we run this program, we are getting the output as only name, which is Rowan. Now the second method by which you can pop the item from the dictionary is using pop item. For example, dict dot pop item, then double brackets, that is round brackets, sorry, and then print the name of your dictionary. So what it does is that it will remove the last inserted item from your dictionary. So when we run this program, we are getting the output as name Rowan because the last item inserted in the dictionary was age. Similarly, after age, if I add roll number, let's say roll ID, and again a colon, and roll ID can be, let's we say 123 ABC, just for example. And when you run this program, we see we are getting the output as name is Rohan and age is 19. The role ID has been skipped. So this is the difference between pop and pop item. If you are using Python lower than 3.7 version, generally we use Python 3.11. But if you are using 3.7 or lower version, then the random item can be removed from your dictionary. So in the later versions it was updated, and the pop item method now removes only the last inserted item in your dictionary. Now let us see the del keyword. The del keyword removes the specified item with the specified key name just as pop, but it can also be used to delete a complete dictionary. For example, you will write del dict, and then we will try to print this program. It will give us an error because there is nothing mentioned, or we can say nothing possible output after we are deleting our dictionary. See, we are only getting the object, that is the dictionary. All the items inside the dictionary have been flushed out. So these are the methods by which you can delete, that is delete the items from your dictionary. So, we have seen the property of dictionary is that it does not allow duplicate value. So I have taken a dictionary over here, which I have added duplicate value. So you can see over here, age is 19 and 20. Both the keys are same. It means that we are duplicating the values. So what will happen if I write duplicate values by mistakenly in the list? So we will print this program. We are getting the output as C. Name is Rohan and age is 20. It is taking the second. What is means that the older value which have you have inserted in the dictionary with the same key is been deleted, and the new value which you have added in the dictionary is been updated in your dictionary, and then the role id has been printed. This was the important part which I have told you that I will explain in the coding part. I have explained this part. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked the video. Stay tuned for our next video.